I am Nathan Pinke with Pinke Homes. Welcome to a recently finished 2,400 square foot custom Pinke home. This home is a modified version of our Ramsey floor plan. The main floor features 3 bedrooms, and 2 of the bedrooms have an ensuite bath with them, along with a walk-in closet. The house also has a significantly nice size walk-in pantry, and we're excited to show you some of the finishes that the customers have chosen and walk through the details of this home. As we enter this Pinke home, we'll notice a lot of details and finishes chosen by the homeowners. We have an open concept floor plan with an open kitchen, living, and dining area. The homeowners have chosen to have the access and stairway for the full basement to be a half wall. As we come in the front door, there's an area of cabinetry for guests to hang coats, and there's also a fireplace in the living room. We look up to the ceiling and we see a very nice fan selected by the homeowners, along with a wood accent beam. As we continue on, we notice the open dining area where there's room for a large table. The kitchen features rustic alder cabinetry, a quartz upgrade in the countertops. We have a large island that's approximately 5 feet by 8 feet. And in addition to those features, they have included a copper farmhouse style sink. To the right of the fridge is the entrance to a hidden pantry. You'll see in this pantry, we not only installed shelving, but additional cabinetry. On each side of this custom home are 2 large bedrooms. Each of the 2 main bedrooms have an ensuite bath with walk-in closet, and each bath features a custom onyx shower. The toilet in its own room. There's also its own fan and light in that space. You'll also notice that each bathroom has a freestanding soaking tub. This house also features a 3rd bedroom on the main floor for a total of 3 bedrooms on this just over 2,400 square foot plan. We'll also notice that there is a half bath located near the entrance, which will be the garage area once the garage is built, and immediately coming in from the garage is the mudroom / laundry area. This home has been fully customized from what our starting point of the Ramsey plan was, to meet the needs of this family and these homeowners. Thank you for watching today. We appreciate your time. We look forward to answering your questions and visiting with you about the customization and options for your Pinke home. To learn more and connect with us online, visit us at pinkehomes.com. Thanks for watching.